Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money or how to send money from Coinbase to Cashapp using Paxful in 2023. While it's important to note that this method may have some certain risks and might not be officially supported, but I'll walk you through the process. So please proceed with caution and ensure that you comply with the terms and conditions of Coinbase, Cashapp, and Paxful. So let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and click or type paxful.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, of course, you'll normally find yourself at the home screen or main screen if it's your first time. So if you have an account, you can simply go and click on login to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can simply click on sign up or register or start or get started so you can create your account. So follow the prompts and you'll be able to create your account once you enter the credentials or your informations. Once you do so, you'll find yourself at the dashboard right here. So make sure to verify your phone number and email address and even enable this two-factor authentication because this will secure your account on your funds in your account. And of course, verifying your number and email address will let you buy and sell through or using this Paxful websites. Because if you didn't verify your phone number and email, you'll not be able to do so. So make sure to do. And of course, before starts, make sure you are set up. Make sure you have your Coinbase account with the funds that you want to transfer, and make sure you have your Cashapp account that you would like to transfer the funds into. If you don't have any of those, you can simply go and create your account on it and simply get the funds on it on Coinbase that you want to transfer. Once you are already set up everything, so you can simply go back here into the dashboard and go to the buy section and click on this drop down menu. Then simply click on buy Bitcoin, Tether, or USDC, whatever suits you. For me, I suggest you to go with USDT or Tether. And once you do so, here, if you go and click on Pay via Coinbase, as you can see, you will not find it here. So simply, you will have to go back and type simply coin, and here we will have to go and look for the coin that you would like to sell, or you can simply go to this digital currencies and click on it. So you can see we would like to buy a Tether USDT, so simply click on it, and here we would like to go and enter the currency that we would like to buy with, and even choose the location. Worldwide is going to be best. Of course, if you don't want to buy and you have even USDT in your Coinbase, you can simply go and transfer them into this your Paxful account. If you go to wallets right here, as an example, so let's just wait. Of course, you will need to verify your phone number and email address to do so. You can simply go here to USDT and click on receive. And as you can see, you'll find here your TRC20 address. So simply you'll have to go and copy this address and can find even the QR code here and simply go and send your USDC or USDT right here if you don't want to go through this buy option. So you can go if you want to go through this buy option, you can simply go and select whatever click on find offers before. And once you have this, of course, you can simply check for whatever buyer suits you, depending on the price, of course, and the positive feedbacks and the trade speed. So simply click on buy if this one suits you. As an example, here you'll have to type number of USDT that you would like to buy. An example, let's just say 1000. Of course, this user has a trade limit, so of course you can go and check for another one. So his trade limit is 93, so it's not going to be a problem. So as you can see, that's what you're going to pay. And now you'll have to go and verify your phone number and email address again because you will not be able to proceed without this. Once you verify that, or if you didn't verify this, you can click here and verify it. Once it's verified, you can click on buy right here. And as you can see, you can scroll down and see the positive feedbacks, the negative feedbacks. Of course, this will not be zero. If you found it zero, it's very rare. Of course, it exists, but it's very rare. So a lot of people has 2, 5, 10. So it's not going to be a problem because not everyone will be satisfied. And of course, as you can see, trade average speed is in their minutes. And you can even see here the feedbacks of other people. So once you send it or you send them the money, you will receive the USDT in your account. Once you have it, you can simply go to the sell option, click on this drop-down menu. Here, you will have to go and choose whatever you bought or whatever you transfer into your account or your wallet. If you have USDT, as I said, you can simply click on it, or Bitcoin or USDC. You will find yourself here. So here you can simply go and click on get paid via. Here we will have to type Cashapp, choose it, and here you would like to get USD normally because Cashapp choose or Awkward USD, and here worldwide, and click on find offers. Here again, make sure to go and check whatever buyer suits you, depending on the price, the minimum and the maximum sales, average trade speed, and of course, if he's verified or not, and even if you have a good positive feedbacks. Example, if this one suits you, click on sell, and here you'll have to go and fill what's or the amount that's of USDT that you want to sell, or even USD. Of course, if you fill one, the other one will be filled automatically. So as an example, I want to sell here 1000 USD, or he has trade limits minimum 2000, so we just type 2000. Of course, this sell-in option will cut from you a 1% of fees. So as you can see, you'll have to, or you will need a 2020 USD in your wallet so you can complete this trade. Once you do so, of course, you will receive this in your Cash App. So simply, you will have to click on sell. I'm not able to do so because I did not verify my email address and phone number. For you, click on start verification if you didn't also, and you will find sell option here. Click on it and you will be able to contact the seller. And here you will have to go and give him your Cash App account. And of course, then you'll have to sell your USDC through him. As you can see, he has a positive feedback. He's verified as you saw before, and he has everything verified. Two negative feedbacks, not that much. And as you can see, if you scroll down, you find anything, or if you have anyone added the feedback, you'll find it here. Of course, if any problem happens, you can simply go and report it to Paxful always. So once you sell your things, of course, you can go and check your Cash App application and check if your funds is there and secure. Once you find it there, you will normally be kind of good to go. So remember to prioritize security throughout the entire process and be cautious with dealing with third-party platforms like Paxful or any other platform, and ensure that you are using trusted and verified sellers. Additionally, stay updated with the last security practices for Cashapp, Coinbase, and Paxful also. Of course, that's to protect yourself or your funds and your personal information. And if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you have learned how to transfer funds from Cashapp to, from Coinbase to Cashapp. In 2023, of course, using Paxful. And it's important to note that this method, as I said before, may involve risks and is not officially supported by Cashapp, Coinbase, and even Coinbase, sorry. So exercise with caution and comply with the terms and conditions of all involved platforms. In our case, it's Coinbase, Cashapp, and Paxful. So prioritize also your financial security. So thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your financial endeavors. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below in this channel and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. And of course, if you have any concerns, you can leave them down below in the comment section. So I guess we're done here. So thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.